Bah Prestone song sembut Menteri Rang Bah Kejala Meklea ubadairu National Vice President ke National People's Party ulaong bala dauhab ban jingmut kuntui ke MLA ke All India Trinamool Congress ba kenlej lepano bat ke BJP shwa ke election MLA arjarar fulai walau new nungelam kren shai ke ba penlong ye uban ong ban jingmut kumtai henrei ke ni ke cingkan tho ju kala ban long halur ke khubor hamsaya ke beher saudong bagi MLA ke TMC ya benda kini khunni ke election MLA arjarar fulai nak ke parti henrei ken sapet no boro ke BJP hadin ke election ula kentaj ban persyairu abagi nong tho khubor ke la persyang ban geli bakala ban long ba shwa ke election kidar rangkat ba didi ba hadin ke election pat kindar rangkat ba Modi ba nangaliang Bah Prestone lo syong ba khamba bagi lepa ke BJP.
See, ultimately, ITC, I would suggest, why don't they do one thing? Pre-election, I think they need to join BJP. I think that would be better for them. It is good if they join BJP. Pre-election. No, not post-election. Pre-election. Why I'm saying this? I think if Dr. Mukul or Dr. Bah Charles Pongrop, they wanted my advice, I think we can sit down with them. I will advise them, please join pre-election, join BJP. See, why should I detail it? Why should I further deliberate on that? Please, when you listen to me, I give you only the headlines. So all the details you give it. Is it not, brother? All the details you give it. The theme I've given, just like that. So you calculate. I don't know. But I've already said, pre-election, I think it would be better if they join BJP.
Can we?
Pre-election with GG, post-election with Modi.
I wonder.